Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of following your favorite MLB team using the official MLB app. Whether you're a seasoned fan or new to the game. First, open the MLB app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three-line menu icon located at the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Account Settings. After that, tap on My Players and Teams. Now, click on Add Team. Next, choose the team you wish to follow from the list provided. Finally, tap Done at the top right corner to save your selection. Your chosen team will now appear on your home screen, providing you with quick access to their latest news, scores, and highlights. By following these simple steps, you can customize your MLB app experience to keep up with your favorite team. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking the video, and sharing it with fellow baseball fans. Thank you for watching and enjoy the game.